Welcome to this training, in which we will present the new Denon in-ear headphone lineup. Before we start, did you know that we have actually been developing headphones for much longer than most of our competitors? It all started in 1966 when we launched our first pair of headphones, the SH31, and ever since we've been improving them. From very innovative designs using a coiled diaphragm to professional headphones, and from our first pair of wireless headphones to our highly acclaimed AHD7000, which are used in many studios today and are still seen as a true reference by reviewers in the press. Now, 50 years later, we celebrate our anniversary by launching several new lineups to serve the many different types of customers we have. This training will cover our complete new lineup of in-ear headphones. This training will begin by presenting our new in-ear headphone lineup. After that, we will dive deeper to examine their superb sound quality. Next, we will show you the aspects that contribute to the high comfort level of these headphones. Lastly, we will take a look at the model that has been specially designed for people on the go. The training will conclude with a summary. Let's start by showing you the lineup. The lineup consists of 3 different models. The 600 series is available in white and black, the 700 series in silver and black, and the 800 series only in silver black. Now let us take a closer look to learn about the differences in these 3 models. We will start by taking a look at the inside to find out how we achieve the extraordinary sound of these headphones. So let's take a look at what is inside this little earpiece. The 600 and 700 series both feature an 11.5mm dynamic driver equipped with a neodymium magnet. This combination is tuned to support today's high-resolution audio across the entire bandwidth, from a deep, heavy bass all the way up to high frequencies of up to 40 kHz. Even though it is barely visible, you will find a so-called acoustic optimizer on the outside of the housing. You can compare this with the bass port used on many loudspeaker systems. In short, this device adjusts the sound pressure balance in front of the driver as well as behind it by letting air flow out of the housing. The result is a smooth frequency response and improved bass performance. Furthermore, we mounted a radial cascade damper on the back of the driver. This damping material is located between the cable and the housing and eliminates any cable noise caused by rubbing against your chest while moving around, for example. Remember when we discussed the 11.5mm driver? Well, the top model of the range, the 800 series, has actually been equipped with 2 of them. We call this patented technology a double air compression driver. Let's take a look at the inside to see how this works. A loudspeaker is the last step in the chain of audio reproduction. The loudspeaker cone is moving back and forth, producing an air movement which results in sound waves that make their way to our ears. With our unique double air compression driver technology, we mounted 2 11.5mm drivers opposite each other. As both produce these air movements, they generate twice as much air movement as a single driver headphone does. Therefore, they deliver an extremely powerful bass with much less distortion and offer ultimate clarity. The 800 series has been equipped with separate wires from the 3.5mm mini jack plug that run to both drivers. By using 2 independent signal cables, we directly feed each driver and avoid any interference between them, resulting in a very pure audio playback. Often, consumers end up replacing their headphones because of a broken cable. For that reason, we use a thick, strong, fiber-meshed cable. By adding a soft rubber sleeve, the sensitive signal cables on the inside stay well protected. The sleeve also guarantees extreme durability. This cable concept is another unique feature you will only find on these Denon headphones. As it is equipped with 2 drive units, we also applied 2 acoustic optimizers, one at the front of the housing and one at the back. As explained before, this helps to equalize the air pressure both in front and behind the drivers. Users can further boost the sound and tune it to personal preferences by using the free Denon Audio app, available for iOS and Android devices. This app not only optimizes the sound of portable devices, but it also offers an improved player interface, including queuing, creating playlists, and accessing over 70,000 radio stations and 2 million on-demand programs via the TuneIn Internet Radio platform. Superb sound is not all that makes a pair of headphones great. As it is a wearable product, it should be comfortable at the same time. Let's take a look at what we did in order to achieve a high level of comfort. We've teamed up with a company called Comply, a manufacturer of aftermarket earphone tips. Their premium foam tips feel and fit better and even improve the headphone sound. This is thanks to their unique viscoelastic memory foam technology, which allows their tips to adjust to the shape of the ear canal at body temperature, ensuring a dynamic custom fit. After the ear tip is inserted into your ear, your body heat warms up the ear tip and it expands inside your ear. This ensures a secure fit and results in the purest possible sound. Furthermore, these earphone tips also block out external noise, in an airplane or outside, for example, allowing you to enjoy the music without being disturbed by any sound around you. On the inside, they have an integrated wax guard, which is basically an acoustically transparent filter to prevent wax and debris from entering the sound port and to keep the inside of the earphones clean. A set of Comply foam tips is included with every pair in our in-ear headphone lineup. They are also commercially available in case you lose them. In addition to this, 4 standard, differently sized pairs of silicone ear tips are included in the packaging. Finally, let's take a look at the design of our new headphones. All of our new in-ear headphones come in an ergonomic aluminum die-cast housing, offering you the best possible sound experience and fit. At the same time, this design makes for a product you can be proud to own. The 600 series is the only model that comes with a built-in microphone. This allows you to answer and make phone calls on both iPhones and Android phones, but you can also use it for voice control. In addition to this, it has an integrated 3-button remote that allows you to control music playback, such as play, pause, and volume. Both features are available for Apple iDevices. However, Android only supports the play-pause button. As you might already know, the iPhone 7 no longer has a 3.5mm headphone output. iPhone 7 users can use the 3.5mm headphone jack adapter that is included with their iPhone to connect the headphones to the Lightning port on the phone. The adapter supports all the functions we've mentioned here. We have reached the end of this training. We have shown you how we achieve superb sound performance by combining an 11.5mm driver with an acoustic optimizer and combining that with a radial cascade damper that prevents any form of cable noise. The 700 series achieves an even better sound performance than the 600, since it has a bigger housing, whereas the 600 series is more suitable for use on the go thanks to its compact design. The top model of the range, the 800 series, makes use of our patented double air compression driver technology, which uses 2 11.5mm drivers that operate opposite each other for an extremely powerful bass, a lot less distortion, and ultimate clarity. In addition to the 4 differently sized silicone ear tips, we also include a pair of Comply foam tips for ultimate comfort. We have also shown you that the 600 series is the only model that has been equipped with a microphone and a 3-button remote. Last but not least, all Denon headphone users can download the free Denon audio app to further boost the sound and get access to thousands of free internet radio stations. By the way, please note the specially designed retail packaging. This premium packaging is a nice showcase for in-store presentation, while also providing all the necessary information to consumers at the same time. Thank you for participating in this course. You are now ready to take the quiz.